Imagine this. You are walking down a busy street in America, surrounded by flashing billboards, coffee shops, and people rushing to work. Everyone is chasing money. Everyone is thinking about bills, paychecks, and expenses. But here is the secret that most people never understand. Rich people think about money in a completely different way. They do not see money as just paper or numbers on a screen. They see it as a tool, a game, a system that can be mastered. And that difference in thinking is exactly why they keep getting richer, while most people keep struggling. If you have ever wondered why your paycheck disappears, while others seem to grow wealth endlessly, stay with me. Because once you understand how rich people think, you will never look at money the same way again. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Every week, I share powerful insights about money, wealth, and mindset that can change the way you live. Join a community of everyday Americans who are learning to think like the wealthy and break free from financial stress. Hit that subscribe button and start your journey today. Now, let us step into the mindset of the wealthy. Picture a man in New York who earns millions. When he receives money, he does not ask, "What can I buy?" He asks, "How can this money work for me?" That is the first difference. Most people see money as something to spend. Rich people see money as something to invest. To put it into businesses, stocks, real estate, and opportunities that multiply it. They understand that every dollar can be a soldier fighting for their financial freedom. Think about a woman in California who built her fortune from scratch. She never saw money as security alone. She saw it as leverage. While most people save to feel safe, she used her savings to create opportunities. She bought assets that generated income. She reinvested profits, and she let compounding do the heavy lifting. That is the second difference. Rich people do not just save. They grow. Now imagine a family in Texas. They teach their children that money is not about working harder, it is about thinking smarter. While most households talk about cutting coupons and stretching paychecks, wealthy families talk about ownership, equity, and building systems. They pass down knowledge, not just dollars. That is the third difference. Rich people think generationally. They see money as a legacy, not just a paycheck. 2. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Rich people do not fear risk the way most people do. They understand that risk is part of growth. They do not gamble blindly, but they take calculated risks. They study, they plan, they prepare, and then they act. Meanwhile, most people avoid risk entirely. Slide check, keeping money in savings accounts that lose value to inflation. That is the fourth difference. Rich people embrace risk intelligently. Let us talk about time. Most people trade time for money. They work hours, they earn wages, and they repeat the cycle. Rich people flip the equation. They use money to buy time. They hire teams, they automate systems, they invest in passive income. They understand that time is the most valuable resource, and money is the tool to free it. That is the fifth difference. Rich people value time above all else. Now picture yourself 5 years from now. You have stopped thinking about money as something to spend. You have started thinking about it as something to grow. You have invested, you have built, you have created streams of income. You are not chained to a paycheck. You are living life on your terms. That is the mindset shift that changes everything. The truth is that most people in America are trapped in a cycle. They earn, they spend, they save a little, and they repeat. They believe money is scarce, hard to get, and easy to lose. Rich people believe money is abundant, flowing, and always moving. They position themselves to catch that flow. They do not chase money. They attract it. Think about the American dream. It is not just about owning a house or having a job. It is about freedom. Freedom to choose how you live, where you go, and what you do. People understand that money is the key to that freedom, and they treat it with respect. They study it, they master it, and they use it to build lives of choice instead of lives of survival. Maybe you have felt the frustration of working hard but never getting ahead. Maybe you have wondered why others seem to succeed while you struggle. The answer is not luck. It is mindset. Rich people think differently. And once you learn to think like them, you can start to change your own financial story. Picture yourself sitting in a coffee shop in Chicago. You open your laptop, check your accounts, and instead of fear, you feel confidence. Your money is working for you. Your investments are growing. Your future feels secure. 2. Smile because you know you have started to think like the wealthy. You are no longer trapped in the cycle. You are building freedom. Every shift in mindset is a step towards success. Every time you treat money as a tool instead of a toy, you move closer to wealth. Every time you invest instead of spend, you build a foundation. The difference between financial struggle and financial freedom is not luck. It is how you think.